In this aid, we will voice our own and market's perspective on BNT future while talking about Bancor cost estimate for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult undertaking, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Bancor. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Bancor value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that BNT is a wise venture or not, for what reason will BNT succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Bancor value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is BNT and its to-date history. What is Bancor organization? Bancor is a decentralized trade, DEX, based on the Ethereum and EOS blockchains. The Bancor convention utilizes a robotized market producer, savvy agreement to work with token exchanges against token liquidity pools without matching purchasers and vendors. It has an underlying token called BNT that fills in as the normal value token to satisfy exchanges, among other brilliant agreement tokens. A part of complete exchanging expenses are conveyed to liquidity suppliers, or LPs, that store tokens into liquidity pools. Exchanging charges likewise shield client stores from ephemeral misfortune, while printed and consumed BNT supply keeps up with the consistent market capability for ceaseless symbolic estimating. While Bancor as of now exists on Ethereum and EOS, it very well may be coordinated into any brilliant agreement-empowered blockchain to give cross-chain liquidity. At the point when an exchange is executed on its foundation, tokens are changed over into BNT as a middle-of-the-road step. The liquidity suppliers who saved the resources then, at that point, produce a return from their assets as a level of the expenses paid by dealers. While this might sound like other well-known DeFi stages, similar to Balancer or Uniswap, Bancor has worked with its administration across both EOS and Ethereum. Further, more blockchains could be made viable with its foundation later on. Bancor is likewise one of the more settled AMMs, having sent off in 2017 while stages utilizing different digital forms of money were more uncommon than they are today. BNT value expectation for the following 90 days. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its record-breaking high in the midst of a more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely hazardous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each venture. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 7.10% $0.4778. October 2, 2022. Minus 2.31% $0.4358. October 3, 2022. Minus 3.83% $0.4291. October 4, 2022. Plus 1.41% $0.4524. October 5, 2022. Plus 3.31% $0.4609. October 6, 2022. Plus 0.80% $0.4497. October 7, 2022. minus 6.38%, $0.4177. October 8, 2022, plus 1.12%, $0.4512. October 9, 2022, minus 3.27%, $0.4316. October 10, 2022, minus 0.20%, $0.4453. October 11, 2022, minus 9.25%, $0.4049. October 12, 2022, minus 7.12%, $0.4144. Bancor Value Expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 15.43%, $0. 3773, 2022 November minus 40.22%, $0. 2667, 2022 December minus 47.78%, $0. 2330, 2023 January minus 42.24%, $0. 2577, 2023 February minus 38.59%, $0. 2740, 2023 Blemish, minus 34.05%, $0. 2943, 2023 April minus 27.21%, $0. 3248, 2023 May, minus 21.93%, $0. 3483, 2023 June minus 21.58%, $0. 3499, 2023 July minus 13.63%, $0. 3853, 2023 August minus 12.05%, $0. 3924, 2023 September minus 6.40%, $0.4176. BNT Value Expectation 2025 to 2030, 2040. Our expectation model sees BNT coming to $0.9280 in 2025. What will BNT be worth in 5 years? The cost of BNT in 5 years could lie around $0.638. What Bancor will be worth in 2030? Our Guajing model sees Bancor coming to $2.30